Before I go ahead and clean these new gears up, I just want to explain some things here. You see that white? That is lapping compound. Most of the time when I take these pictures, I always remove that before I take my photographs to make the gears look real pretty. I left it on here for the reason of showing it to you. This has to be removed before you do your install. If you do not remove it, this abrasive will get into your new bearings, and the next thing you know, you got trouble. And Mazda had this trouble several years ago with the NC Miata, and I had to rebuild several differentials for Mazda because of that issue. And it's all on the pinion as well. So these gears were lapped together at the factory, and this is just the residual lapping compound left on the gear from the factory. We're going to go ahead and clean that up and get started. PuddyMod solid steel sleeve. That's 1020 mandrel steel, no seam or anything like that. See how thick that wall is? That is a stout piece, and you won't have any trouble with that.